Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a post on Instagram app. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. I want you to hit the lower right corner and click on your profile picture. Then I want you to hit the top right corner and click on the three straight lines. Now there is a new update on Instagram and I'm gonna show you how to use it. The third option in this menu, you will see it's called scheduled content, right? When you click on it here, you should find usually the content that you schedule for publishing. When you click on it, I don't have anything scheduled yet, right? So let's schedule a content. Let me show you how. Click schedule now. Let's pick a piece of content that we want to upload. Let's say this one over here, okay? If you pay attention on the lower right corner, you have an option to switch between post, story, reel, and live, okay? So in our case, we have this one and we're gonna proceed with this one. You can finish some editing, you can add music, like usual normal post on Instagram, guys, okay? The small difference over here is that right before publishing, when you're finishing with all the edits and the location, right? You want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and you want to click advanced settings. In this case, we're going to click the first option, which is schedule this post. When you click on it, you will have the option to set a particular day, a particular time, minutes, and time of the day, PM or AM. This simply will help you, especially if you're traveling overseas, but you still want to publish on, let's say, US time for your US audience, right? You want to have the right post at the right time while you're traveling overseas, whatever, Europe or Asia, right? So this is how you schedule post effectively. And when you schedule the post, all you gotta do is to go back on this new special menu where you will have all the posts scheduled for publishing and just proceed, right? Everything will be set and you will be able to follow which post goes live when, and then you can adjust the post. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.